Okay, then finish. Everything's red and good. Oh my god, that hurts so much. What the flip? Who are you? Bob Sinclair. Can I buy that? Oh my god, you have a lot of cars. Minecart. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're so good at this, bro. Thank you. Buy for $20. And go. Good. Buy for free. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Whee! Let's see what this can do. And don't forget to surprise Mr. Pickles with a mule. There you go. Whee! My powers is growing up like sleeve. Yeah. Let's go. And the power of the pew 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 pew. I love this so much. Let's go, Mario! And then let's go and park. Such a lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Okay, let me see this. Come on, I need to get in the car. Okay, let's see. Ooh, listening to music. What? Let's go and show this to Master Pickles. Let's go. Above the builder. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And it's yellow. Well, it's cool, but I think I'm gonna go with yellow. Yeah, I don't want to change it. It's cool. Okay, it looks like Bumblebee. It's not a camera. It's a 4GT. Oh my god, there's Mr. Pickles' car. This is too big for a parking lot. So yeah, I love this. Ooh, is that a principal? Is that the principal? I think so. And there's 2 signs for me. Dang, I'm good. And that. What? Let's go. I'm so hungry and I'm late for school. And I don't care anymore. Ring, ring. What? I'm late? Oh my god. He's gonna kill me, but I need food. Fine. Yum, 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 yum. I need more. What is this? Apple. I have an apple. I have a pen. Apple pen. Let's go. Where did you go? Wait, what? I know you're mute. I'm mute. Ding. What? Now I saw you. You're in the main class. What the flip? I'm in the main, baby. Stop saying it. What? Go. I'm done with you. Okay. I'm gonna show you my new car. What is your new car? It's a surprise. Oh, come on. What is it? Come on. Oh my god, Here it is. my new car. Ew, that yellow? No. Is that? Ew, that white car? Ew. Ooh, that yellow car is awesome. Who owns that? It's super awesome. This is my car. Look at the plate. It's on my name. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? But it's so cool. Could I ride it? Fine. No. Invincible potion. Fine. I mean, you could. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay. What do you do with this? Oh my god, so fast! It's faster than lightning. A queen. No. Oh, come on. Do you have your weapon? Oh, yes, I do. I have my power. My power is a bubble. I am a pickle and I am bubble. Stop it. Sorry. I have a fly sword and I have my power flying sword. Not a flying sword. It's a flamethrower. It's a flamethrower. Stop it. Yeah. Come on, I will show you my house. But I'm already at your house. Where? Oh yes, I forgot. Hey, baby, I park here and there's my other car, my beautiful cars, my car collection. Yes. Let's go down. Oh my god, what the flip? Oh my god. How many people? Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. What? Again? Oh, come on. Pew, 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 pew. I'll give this to another student. Pew, 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 pew. Oh my god, that was so hard. I need a... Oh my god, this was heavy. So much heavy. Oh yes, it is. Up. I go explore. You go to school and park them. Okay. With my car. Okay. What? I'm breaking the law. Oh, come on. I forgot about this. What did happen again here? Oh my god, a caution sign. Woohoo! I'm tired of the law. Me too, but we need to follow it. There's a cop in the law. Okay. Us giving away free mine bike. Mine bike. Oh no, I'm stuck in the water. I'm under the water. Oh, okay. I'm under the sea. I'm under the sea. Ooh, this is a giant big one. Oh my god. Let's do this flying sword. Wait, what? No. Nice. What? This wants some slow car here. Let's headshot. Boom. Oh, come on. Pew. Let's go, Mario. Can I pick it up when I'm in my go-kart? Yes. Well, I don't care anymore. Oh, it's a long day of breaking the law. Yes, it is, bro. Stop! Okay, I'm going to give who is lonely. There you go. Okay. I will drive this and I will do this and park this slowly. And there's not a parking spot. Good. I'm parking. Stop it! You're making noises. Okay. Oh, come on. Boom, boom. Oh my god, that was so hard. Shoo-gadoosh. Now this boy. Just like boom, 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 dun, dun, dun. It's like away. You know what? This is the last car. I'm putting it in the parking spot. So, and there we go, and there we go, and there we go, and there we go. Let's go, and everyone copying the principal car. Okay, and this is the last spot. Okay, I'm done with you. You know what? I'm going home with my white car, I guess. Let's go. And I need to pay this spray can. Oh, okay. I'm going home. Home is my home. And let's go. Okay, I just pulled this off, and well, I'm home, and the Mr. Pickles go home, I guess, and I got muted. Now I'm gonna buy one piece of red skin can. Okay, thank you for the Wait. There we go. Let's go. Red spray can. And I'm tired. Spray and let's park this up. I'm so tired. I'm going to bed. I'm going to go to. I'm just going to sleep. I just don't care right now.